Does applying petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline, on your pulse point make your perfume last longer or not? Does it enhance the potency? Does it increase the longevity? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Yay! So today I'm just going to be doing a short on how to make your perfume last longer. But I'm doing it with a twist because I'm kind of doing a practical whatever to find out if this method of making your perfume actually last long really does work. So I'm sure you must have checked sometime, how do I make my perfume last longer? And then you've seen the hack of, oh, apply petroleum jelly on your skin before applying the perfume. So that is the hack that I'm here to test out today. I just want to know if it really does work or not. I have actually tried it in the past before, but to think of it, I never actually checked if it works or not. So let's find out if this trick will help you make your perfume last longer. Okay, it has so much energy today. So without saying too much, I'm going for service, by the way. So when I go for my service and I come back, I'm gonna try and compare and see if the point where I apply the jelly is gonna last longer than the point without no jelly. So here's my petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline. I am going to be applying just a little bit of Vaseline on my pulse points. There's going to be petroleum jelly on my left hand, and there's going to be no petroleum jelly on my right hand. And so we'll just go ahead and spray. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So it's going to take me about 2-3 hours to be back home. So by the time I'm back, I'm gonna do another video to tell you guys, what's up. Should you continue to waste your time and waste your Vaseline, or should you actually take this hack for what you apply it to your pulse point, wherever else, and then apply your perfume on top, and then it's going to enhance, the potency. It's going to make it last longer. So let us head for service. By the time I'm back, I'm going to be revealing to you guys whether this is something you should adopt right now or not. Should you adopt applying Vaseline before you spray your perfumes to enhance it, or not? Just be spraying your perfume casually and be going to where you're going to. Okay guys, it's after service. It's been exactly 2 hours or more since I put the petroleum jelly before spraying my perfume here, and no petroleum jelly here before spraying my perfume on my pulse. So let's see. So guys, I am back from service. It's been almost 3 hours, but that's because I made a quick stop after service. Remember, I sprayed here with some petroleum jelly first and without any here. So what I can say is, if a perfume is good enough, it's good to carry itself. If it's not, it's not. I can't say that petroleum jelly has done so much to enhance this point more than this. Not really. What I'd say is, maybe I should have left it longer. I do not know, but I feel like I get equal delivery of this particular scent on both points. So yeah, you can go ahead and try, and please come back and tell me on the comment box if this worked for you. Abby, I might cause a problem. I don't know. so so please tell me if this hack worked for you, or works for you, or has worked for you at some point in your life. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget guys, please subscribe if you haven't, like my video, share my video, turn on your notifications so that you know when my next awesome video drops. If you have a perfume that you would like me to review next, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment box, and I'll be sure to work towards that. Okay, I'm here to please you. I'll be happy to say that thing, but yeah, you get the vibe. Thank you. See you next time.